The next trick I'm going to show you is two-handed vertical punches. Sometimes they're referred to as vertical loops, but either way, it's two-handed vertical yo-yo movements going up in the air. I think if you go back, I called them vertical loops in the original section. With one hand, it looks just like this. You actually start with a shoot the moon motion, and you bring it up, and you're shooting them straight up into the air, just like so. So what you want to do is practice this with one hand, get that movement really strong. It's going up like so. It's a vertical loop. So one more time, shoot the moon, you come back, and then you continually throw the yo-yo up back into the air. Again, this takes a lot of practice, a lot of time, but it's worth getting down. And then the motion with two hands, I find it's easier if, once again, I do them at different times. I do one and then the other. Watch me as I get up into this. Shoot one, just like that. One more time so you can see this. I shoot one, and then come up into it. And then that's the whole motion there. Whoop. You can see even after a little practice, this takes a little time to get. One of the keys to this trick is as you're doing it, you really want to get those yo-yos all the way to the end of the string. You want to get a really strong throw. That's going to really help you get the yo-yos to stay up in the air like that. Also, adjust your string tension. Mine are actually falling down a little bit because my string is too loose. So you'll notice once I tighten it, I'll be having a little bit of a grab, and you can see it really shooting out there better. So one more time. Two-hand vertical loops, punches. That's the trick. Practice it, and you'll be looking cool.